Now I know.
Hi, and welcome back to my channel, Body Talk. For this video, the topic of discussion is chronic pain. In my previous video, acute pain, I mentioned that there are two types of pain. One, acute pain, and two, chronic pain. Let's talk about chronic pain. So what is chronic pain? Chronic pain represents physical and emotional suffering in response to injury. Unlike acute pain, chronic pain doesn't go away and usually isn't curable. So that is the difference. Chronic pain is long-term and therefore presents another dynamic or dimension of pain that I will briefly discuss today. As with acute pain, chronic pain is the result of the most painful chronic disease state brought on by aging, which affects bones and joints in ways that cause chronic pain. Other common causes of chronic pain are nerve damage and injuries that fail to heal properly. Some chronic pain have many causes like back pain, traumatic injury, and/or disease. Chronic pain is categorized as malignant or non-malignant. So an example of non-malignant disease may be an arthritis like rheumatoid that presents pain and is long-term. Also, types of neuropathies. Those of you who have diabetes may be familiar with nerve damage as a result of diabetes, which is categorized as neuropathies, which can present a lot of pain, is long-term, but can be managed. And as for a malignant or chronic malignant pain, a perfect example of this would be cancer. Everybody knows the big C word is typically a terminal diagnosis. Prognosis is not good, and pain is expected to occur and get progressively worse. Chronic pain is generally more challenging than acute pain, but the goal is the same, and that is pain control. So the challenge to manage pain can be very difficult because the pain may present itself in different ways, and you are going to have to be prudent to discern and listen to what your body is telling you regarding your pain, the intensity of the pain, the location of the pain, as well as your experience of pain relief and what works for the particular type of presentation of pain for that time. Treatment methods such as meditation, distraction techniques are essential in reaching the goal of pain control. So the type of pain management is going to be determined by the severity of the disease state or the diagnosis or the chronic illness. So for example, in the case of a person with cancer, they may have a stage 2 cancer, which is another video, but just to give you some idea of progression of pain, cancer is a perfect example because it is diagnosed in stages. And so, of course, the lower number being the less severe the cancer is, and then the higher number may be stage 4 or 5, depending on the type of cancer or where the cancer is. And the staging will also be a determining factor as to quality of life. Pain, whether short-lived or whether chronic, can cause a change or reduction in quality of living and consequently can result in symptoms of depression, anxiety, inability to sleep, and overall hopelessness. While there are no specific studies to indicate or show the presence or degree of pain, it is important to understand that both acute pain and chronic pain are equally undesirable, and the goal is to obtain pain relief and control, as well as to maximize the best quality of life for the affected individual. Hope this helps. Until next time, take great care. If this content was beneficial to you, please like, subscribe, and definitely feel free to share. Please understand that the information on this page is for educational purposes only. It is not in any way intended to diagnose anyone's medical condition, please contact your doctor first before trying these recommended preventive care measures. If you have a medical emergency, I strongly recommend that you call 911 or go to the nearest emergency room for further evaluation. Thank you for stopping by. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel if this content is helpful to you. I would love to have you in our community. And always remember, when the body talk, listen, because your life depends on it.